Good morning. It may seem it's at night right now, but it's at 2 a.m. We are going to Dumaguete to go to Bohol. This traveling is a lot. It's tiring. We're all tired right now, but it's fun.
Amanta Padulong. I got the tickets.
Hey guys, good morning again. We have arrived in Dumaguete City. Dumaguete City. Nah, bago man.
Paghingaw na rin.
Hey guys, right after we got off the ship, we're gonna go to the mountain with a lot of native food. Native Filipino food. So apparently the mountain is overlooking the city, overlooking all, not all probably, but it has a nice view. It has a nice view. Okay. Oh, tita, pila sa vlog, tita. Ato mga to, tita. Ato mga to.
Ato may sa San Jose. Alimyon, kapihan sa Alimyon. All native products, native foods there. Oh.
We are here. We are on top of the mountain right now, overlooking everything, all the nature and the trees and nice. So these are the photos I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you that later as well. Oh, asata! Asata!
Oh, tumaga ka rin. Oh, bigyan ka interview kay...
Oh, diri tagi.
Tour guide na to, tour guide na mo. Tour guide ni namo.
Para sa ka. Oh.
Manglungsod. Oh,
libre rin, libre. Libre. Kasamang farm.
Mamutong. Ay, native coffee din ito. Native coffee.
Sus, makainom mo ito.
Moy! Hi guys. Cousin din ako. Cousin ako sa mom's side. Dugay na wagakita. Dugay, kumusta na mo?
Kira.
Kung sa Instagram mo mo?
Weller.
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 W-H-E-L-L-E-R. Brewed native coffee ako ate. Ito, tita, ang sa inyo ah. Asa yung mais sana?
Corn coffee.
You like corn coffee?
Sige, utila ko ano.
Osaka corn coffee.
Duho.
Duha ka corn coffee. Tulo ka 4 corn coffee.
And then, fried banana o fried kamote.
O sige. Fried banana, fried kamote. Hi guys, nami sa Alimyon Mountain. I don't know what this is, resort, but it's Alimyon native coffee shop on top of the mountain. It's all native coffee. They have corn coffee. I don't know how they made it, but it's corn coffee. But I just ordered native brewed coffee. Native brewed coffee. Native brewed coffee. Native brewed coffee ka ganova pa ka.
Nasugaran.
Nasugaran? Istog.
Oh, sakto to ha.
Okay, thank you, babe.
Street na siya.
Kamote. Or sweet potato. Fried sweet potato.
Hala, dito na o dito.
Sana mayonnaise?
Still having breakfast up here, but it seems like it's lunchtime or dinner already. So we are eating right now turon fried something with mango, not mango, banana and langka, jackfruit.
Kani si Bing. Muna kinakusgan na mong agaw diri. Asindira ni iyaan ni tanan dinis tanan makita. Kanay po doon siya kinapusgan po na.
Ang duwang tagya diri.
Taman sa makita.
We just finished having coffee in ALIMYON. Now we are off to the next stop.
Sa Palimpinon. Palimpinon, Valencia, Negros Oriental.
Volcano ni.
Sa volcano.
We are at the volcano. On top of a volcano, it's a bit hot. It's smoking hot everywhere.
Baho!
Baho kayong aso, baho!
Biyata pa dulong, Bi.
Yung bridge daw.
Aging bridge.
Oh, ito.
Ito.
Dito.
Hoy!
Hi!
Ito na, Ron.
Hey guys, we are at the pier again and we are going to Bohol city again. That was a quick stop in Dumaguete city and now we are going to Bohol again. This trip is everything.
Hi, mato na pirming Bohol. Manglaag na pud mi og Bohol.
Bohol! Bohol! Here we go, bound to Bohol city, riding the boat again to Bohol. This trip we've been riding the airplane, the boat, the mini boats to go to islands, everything. This trip is amazing. It's memorable. It's tiring, but it's memorable. It's tiring, but it's good. It's tiring, but it's cool.
Hold down.
Inception, name it. Vlog over vlog over.
Ato ta sa Bohol.
Hey guys, we're now here in Bohol City and we are gonna go to our Airbnb or the place we're gonna stay at to start our vacation. Finally, after 2 hours of boat riding, we're finally here at our Airbnb in Bohol. I think this is still Tagbilaran City and I'm gonna call it a night. Good night. See you tomorrow for all the adventures.